appreciate that, bro. Alright. Let's go have some fun.
What if me just sitting there with the cloth in my car, bro?
We'll actually get traction too.
Yeah, now the tires warmed up. It's hella hot. I'm surprised you're not looking for shit. Damn, the AC is like hella warmish once like the inner chiller's on.
It's not even on though.
Oh, it blows pretty cool. Maybe you're just low on for
it'll start to get cooler, colder.
Bro, it's not a Tesla like your ass. It's a romance car, bro.
This is like a hard and scared, bro.
I'm not scared. He's taking out, he's like, oh shit, what's going on?
Yo, you scared?
Nah, I'm not.
He has a stock HELLCAT Challenger wide body. Hey, you're not even gassing it. The shift's low-key aggressive.
Yeah, because it's on track transmission.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it shifts super fast.
How do people get like they have like 1,000 horsepower on that shit?
Because this is the older ECU, so you can't do it with the 2016, like 2015, 2016s, but you can do it with the 17, 18 ones.
Oh, because of the new U-Connect?
Exactly. So I would just have to do a new U-Connect.
That's hella work.
It's hella work, but it would be dope just to see the 1,000 plus.
It's not that loud from the inside. It's pretty loud, but
let's see if we spin.
what the f?
4 deep.
What the f? Why does that feel so weird?
Bro, you got 60, bro. You got 2.
Bro, I felt like my butt cheeks go like that. What the f?
Yeah, we got some weight in here.
Yeah, you can hella tell.
You gonna hit a roll? Can I post it on my Instagram story or no?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, bro.
Do a third gear.
Hold on. Give me a second. Alright.
That's just fucking sick.
Bro, now I feel the AC.
Yeah, I turned the chiller on. We got the magic light popped up on the dash.
Oh.
You got a light?
Let's see, what is it?
I got a scanner in my car.
Oh, no, it's good. Because this has a scanner in it.
Oh, yeah.
So it'll tell you the code, but it's just one of my sensors. That shit always pops up.
I got you a good cut. Hey, bro, you be like, I'm about the oh no shit. I'm gonna tag you.
It's all good. But yeah, that sensor don't matter. So we're good. We just gotta get E85 before we do another pull.
How often do you fill up, like, days-wise? Like, a full tank if you don't f around? Like,
If I don't f around every like 2 days, every 2 days.
but this is technically your work, so, like, it don't really matter.
Yeah, like it's all a write-off anyway.
Yeah.
Tax right now.
Trust me, bro, I know. It doesn't feel anything like a stock HELLCAT, like the shifts and like just
Because it has the trans tune.
yeah.
So it made a huge ass
But
difference.
even like just normal driving, like you're just taking turns and shit, just feels different. I don't know why.
Yeah. Because the stock suspension's a little more like boaty. I don't know how to
Oh, you
describe
have
it.
Sense, bro, it's a boat.
You have all upgraded suspension too.
Yeah, I got all the arms, and then I have the BC Racing coilovers, which I might change here pretty soon.
I see hella people tell you to get a wide body, but the tires are way too expensive.
It's not even the tires, but like it's just the weight.
I feel like a car sick is narrow body.
The narrow body.
Yeah, and it's a little more rare now.
Yeah, everyone getting wide body.
Yeah, everyone has a wide body.
Especially like a clean 2016. They've all got like over 100,000 miles on them.
Yeah, like my
They're all clapped out.
shit just hit 70.
Yeah, they all have like
70,000?
rib seats and shit.
70,000? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
And you're built, bro.
Yeah.
HELLCAT motors are crazy. What are you gonna do if like it blows? Just build it?
That's fucked
Yeah,
up,
build
bro.
it
You gotta
up.
knock on wood. Knock on carbon
I mean, me and Josh have already talked about it. Like, if it happens, then we just gotta do something ridiculous.
Elephant.
Nah.
He's like, elephant.
You want to keep the 6.2
Hey, 2G.
like a
2G
HELLCAT
solved
motor,
this
or
shit.
you want an LS? Like,
Yeah, we would do 6.2, but it would be like bored out 4 my boys that race at like Sac Raceway, like one, he's running like 8.6s. He's got a 4.5 Whipple. There's another one that's running like 8.9s. Like there's a lot of them that are in the 8s with that Whipple.
That's fucking crazy.
I need
you
that.
ran a, what did you run? You ran a something at 139 and the dude came up to you, he was like, yo, slow it down.
Yeah, I ran a 10.6, but I trapped it 139 because I couldn't get traction. Like I was leaving, that was the first run of the day. The other runs, I just, we were spinning and shit. I left second gear and I was short shifting. So if I were to leave in first gear, get traction, and leave it in auto, then I would be in the 9s.
The last one where you were supposed to send it, you just did a rolling burnout.
Yeah, that shit just spun.
The whine's so loud. The whine's almost as loud as your exhaust.
Yeah, I love that shit. Like,
Yeah.
You know what's crazy?
Once you go port and blower
With
too,
the Tesla Plaid, you can't feel shit. You don't even know
Yeah,
you're
you
going
don't
fast. But then it's so fucking dramatic,
you
bro.
feel the
Like,
power.
you know you're going fast.
That shit don't feel like 1,000 horsepower. This shit feels like.
Yeah, like, you know you're going, you're cruising. Oh,
Why the
shit. Fucking stupid ass, bitch. Oh, shit. Like a brake check.
I hate when people do that shit. Like, why the f did you do that? Not even use a turn signal.
Now you can call him a banjo.
Stay, banjo.
Banjo. I don't know what it is. I feel like people see this car and they're like, oh, it's fast. I need to be in front of it. It's like, why? Why?
Like, where we live, no one gets out of your way.
No one gives a.
Yeah, or like,
oh, they just try racing.
at least use a turn signal.
Yeah.
At the
Just
f***ing
crash the
minimum.
vet when the van just came in front of you.
Yep. Like
Probably
shit
something.
happens when people don't use turn signals. I'm f***ing going fast, whatever, blah blah blah. But it's like that doesn't mean you don't have to follow traffic laws either.
I
It's
know,
like,
in Mexico laws, you post your traffic law.
Yeah.
exactly.
Pinche vato. My boy's car is hella loud too. He has Corsa mid mufflers and just cat delete and cat mid pipes and then
Yeah.
resonator delete.
Everyone tells me to do like Corsa Extreme exhaust and shit, but it's like I don't know if it's gonna be any louder than the straight pipe.
Yeah.
Plus it's hella expensive.
People be spending like $1,100 on X pipes. Like, bro, go to a muffler shop, pay them $80 to chop and weld. That's it. And the mid muffler sounds amazing.
Yeah, like that was the first like mod, I guess you could say, that I did when I bought this car. It was like, yeah, mid muffler gone, and then I went back and did the resonator because I was like, I need it louder.
Was it like a big louder, like difference, or was it like alright?
Nah, it made like it more raspy. It didn't make it like too. It was a little bit louder, but not like hella crazy.
Not as idle, not as idle. Would you fuck that more than big muffler delay, or would you do everything?
I don't know, because I did the resonators after the mid muffler, so I couldn't like compare the two. Like if the resonator delete instead of the mid muffler delete would sound better. But
The resonators for me didn't make like much of a difference. I seen this one dude, I raced him, I got tires from him actually. He had a 2019, but he bought the wide body off the Dodge. And he like, wide body is 2019.
yeah.
And his would pop so much, he had a mid muffler. I had mid muffler resonator with 5-inch tips, and my shit would not pop at all. I don't know why.
It's really just the tune, because after this was built, and it pops a lot less, but that's because like it's not running hella rich. Because that's what it is. It's just extra.
It doesn't run that rich.
Extra gas in the exhaust that makes it pop and shit. That's what people do to make like
Burble tunes?
yeah, burble tunes and do the flames and shit like that. They'll just have a
It's not
tune.
good for your motor though.
Nah, hell nah. Yeah, they'll just have extra gas get let off into the exhaust manifold. And
Yeah.
the explosion, science happens.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Yeah. I still got my lab coat at the house.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, oh my god, I'll insert the video here. Someone sent me a video of the Camaro flipped over. happened, like, I don't know if they flipped it, dipped, or they flipped it, got hurt, because the seat belts weren't really seat belts in there.
Yeah, there's
like,
just a little, yeah. That's crazy.
Yeah, what y'all think? Shit's pretty fun.
Yeah,
like,
it's fast.
That's what I'm saying with this car too. Cut it up.
Yeah.
Drop top and everything.
300,000 likes.
yeah, for real. 300,000 likes, I'll cut the roof off this bitch. That's what hella people were saying after I had people hit the Camaro with the hammer and shit. They're like, the Hellcat's next, blah, blah.
That's good content, bro. That's good content.
It's good content, bro. I ain't doing that shit.
Hellcat drop top. Drop that first charge in the world, bro.
You keep your suspension in street. Oh, you can't change it. Huh?
Yeah, I can't
just
change
the
it.
coils.
Yeah.
It rides like all right. Mine was on H&R Lowering Springs because I was about to spend all the money on coils. But
Yeah,
it rides a little better than my H&Rs for sure.
I had H&Rs, but I kept blowing the suspension up.
Oh yeah.
I think it was just from drifting and shit, but that shit kept blowing out. But I f with how low the H&Rs were.
Yeah, my shit was hella low, bro. I would like scrape on purpose just to hear the sound. But no, it looked really good. Plus, like, it would be me and then my 3 boys, this fool, and then my 2 other boys, and we like when I first got my car, we just f around, literally do dumb shit every single day. Like, pick them up, and then just go do random dumb shit.
The cool thing with go ahead.
They like set in nice just cause like we're all big boys, you know.
All the fat fucks in the car, bro.
I hella like these because there's 18 different settings on the coilovers. Like you can go stupid hella soft or you can go stupid hella stiff.
Yeah, that's how my lowering links are. I could adjust it and it'll like raise up. I just have to take off the wheels and shit, so it's kind of dumb, but
that's not too hard though.
yeah, it's not that bad. Thank you for the ride along.
Yeah, no problem. Make sure you guys go follow my guys on Instagram. Most def. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Doses. Hello.
In Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not produced for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.